Hey everybody, this is Chadley at Metalworks. Just giving you a look at 3 chassis we have here at the shop. This front one here is an A-body Art Morrison chassis. We've got it all painted and assembled and fitted it with a GM Performance LS3. This one's all ready to ship out to our customer so they can set their GTO body on it. So we offer full built out chassis like this that are just ready to accept your body, or we can actually perform the body swap for you as well. Second chassis is for a Tri-5, so your 55 to 57 Chevy. It's also Art Morrison chassis, but this one has their IRS suspension in the back, which is just a piece of art. I just absolutely love the look of these IRS chassis. This is going to be a full build that we're performing on a 55 Chevy, so you can watch our website and see this entire build unfold at metalworksclassics.com. This final chassis is a Roadster Shop chassis. This one's for a 69 Camaro that we'll be doing a partial build on. So it's really nice. You can see the differences in the chassis, compare them side by side. We're a dealer for both. So if you have any questions on either Art Morris or the Roadster Shop chassis, you can give us a call here at the shop at 541-341-3372. We'd be happy to answer any questions you might have. That's it for today. We'll catch you guys later.